How to avoid getting cramps. So first and foremost, are you stretching after you train? A lot of people come in and they only stretch beforehand because they run out of time, but even 5 minutes can help you relax your muscles enough so they don't feel like they have to support the joint to the utmost end. Another thing to consider would be, are you drinking enough water, and what is the fluid flow like within your body? So as you can see here, I got the boots on. They are going to pump all my lymphatics back up after my training session, which is really good for fluid flow. But if I don't have enough water in my system already, then it's going to be a lot harder for everything to move. So getting that initial fluid is really important. And lastly, what is your mineral intake like? Are you getting enough potassium, calcium, magnesium in your diet to support all of those movement processes? And is anything going to get stuck in that chemical process that's going to make your muscles contract after your session? To summarize, we need to stretch, get enough fluid, and enough minerals in our diet to help us prevent cramps. This is Nancy Jane, your local myotherapist. If you like this video, please share it with your friends, and I'll catch you on the next one.